What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I woke up and felt like being productive, so I cleaned the garage out. As you guys can see, I already took the cover off the car because it's so annoying to take that off. So what I'm planning on doing today is I'm gonna take the car out. I got the power wash ready. I got my blower. So basically I use the blower to blow the car off. That's the best way I clean my car. And you guys are gonna see some different techniques that I use that work for me and to clean the Hellcat without using all the sponges and scratching the car and all that. And you know, some people like to dry them off with cloth. I don't, because I don't want to scratch. Sometimes there's little, you know, sand type particles on the car still. You know, you don't fully, you know, there's spots where the car's not fully cleaned, even though you try to keep it as clean. And when you wipe it, that's just gonna scratch it when you're trying to dry off the car. And that's why I use the blower. So I'm gonna take the car out and then I'm gonna put it right here. Driving this thing. We're almost there. I'd say maximum a month and this car will be out the garage. Probably less than that because the weather's doing really good so far. So just hear how beautiful it sounds. This is the dirt from starting it up every morning. Yeah, so it's just been sitting like this for the past few months. And here, if you guys see all this, all that. The first thing I begin with is the interior. I'm gonna vacuum it real quick and then I'm gonna show you guys the product I use to keep the inside clean. So it's pretty vacuumed on this side. It just needs it right here. So I got the vacuum here. And I don't have the shop vac right now. I don't feel like looking for it, so I just use the regular vacuum. It does pretty well. But also, my products that I use, they don't smell. So I don't put air freshener in the car. I don't put nothing. I don't even put coffee in the car. I don't put anything that smells like the car, just so I can keep that new car smell. And it actually works, guys. It lasts forever for me, just because I don't put any new smell or scents in the car. So I'm a little weird, but these are my favorite interior products. We got the interior detailer, glass cleaner, and then interior and leather cleaner right here. And this is the rag I use. This is just for glass. If you use this on your car, you're gonna scratch your car. So it's made out of, like, I don't know, weird material. But anyways, just sprayed it with the power wash. And I'm gonna show you guys the coolest process. I don't know why I'm such a kid and I enjoy this. I'm gonna show you guys what happens when I put the wheel cleaner and how good this wheel cleaner is and how well it could take the dirt off. So let's get it. So I'm gonna spray the rest of the wheels and let's see how this turns out. rest. Look at all the dirt. Woo! All that from here. Ta-da! It is pretty cleaned. I didn't use soap, but it wasn't dirty to begin with, so just kept the water, and I'm gonna blow it right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how I dry the car, and I basically use a blower. It's like a backpack blower. So let me show you guys. All right, let's get it. This is a commercial blower. So it blows. It's Red Max. That's probably the best brand out there. Basically, switch this on. Hold this. Basically, I'm gonna wear it like a backpack. So this is it. I'm wearing it like a backpack, and I'm gonna start drying the car. Let's go. This is so fun. So the car is all clean, as you guys can see. The wheels are clean. Look at that. The whole car is clean. I'm finally happy that I got to clean the car. It's all dried up. So I'm gonna put the cover on the car, and then I'm gonna leave it in there because, yeah, storage life sucks. I wish I could drive it, but I'm gonna drive it, and I think in less than a month we're gonna be able to take this bad boy out and have some fun. Also, some great news. A friend of mine is getting a Demon. I don't know if I've told you guys, and me and him are gonna race. I am so excited. I want to see how fast the Dodge Demon actually is. I'm very excited. I was so happy that he got one. I still don't know what the color is, but it should be here in literally like a few weeks, like 3 weeks. Should be here in February. But I can't wait to race that. The Demon, I've been hearing so much hype about it. I just want to actually see what that car's all about. Might get my ass whooped, but I don't know. I don't think so. If we're gonna do a roll race, I don't know. That'd be a good race because I don't know. I'm making that much power. I'm making more power than the Demon. I'm making the crank power of the Demon. I'm making that to the wheels in mine. Right around there. I won't give you guys exact numbers, but let me know. Actually, comment in the comments below what you guys think my car is making right now. Let me know. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's a big red button. Subscribe and go browse through the channel, and I will see you guys next video. Peace!
Da 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 da. da 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 da.